Thanks, Kyle Bassa. The new cast of the musical movie Camp Rock 3 has been revealed with returning stars Joe, Nick, and Kevin Jonas, joining newcomers like Maria Barrera, Liamani Segura, and Malachi Barton. Sam Martos tells us more.
Let's step into the world of entertainment for our showbiz news. This is me, but this is real, because the new season of Disney sequel Camp Rock is coming soon. The new cast has been finally introduced. The new cast members of the hit musical movie Camp Rock has been revealed. In Disney social media posts, you can see the photos of the new cast. Returning to the film are Joe, Nick, and Kevin Jonas, who also starred in the first Camp Rock movie. Joining them are Maria Barrera, Liamani Segura, Hudson Stone, Lumi Pollack, Malachi Barton, Casey Truther, Brooklyn Pitts, Aba Jean, and Cherry Cola. It can be recalled that the first Camp Rock movie premiered in 2008, starring Demi Lovato. Lovato will serve as the producer of the upcoming film. Meanwhile, Camp Rock 3 is still in the production and no release date has been announced yet.
Camp Rock! It's so good to be back!
And that's our entertainment news. Once again, I'm Sam Martos. Back to you, Kriza and Alvin.